Hi, this is David again, and welcome to this second video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to check if you have Python installed already on your PC. So let's get started. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed, especially with Linux or Mac. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line, cmd.x. So, I ran the command, Python version in the command line, and I find I do not have Python installed on your computer. Then you can download it for free from the following website, https://www.python.org/. Let's download and install Python. Open new browser. The link is in the description as well. Once you are there, click Downloads tab. Click Download Python 3.7. This is the latest version as of this time. But keep in mind that this will be updated from time to time. I've done downloading it. It's here in my download directory. Let's install it. Double click all, Make sure to put a check mark on this box here that says add Python 3.7 to path, so that we can run it in the command line as well. Then this is optional, but I will change the installation directory of Python 3.7 for my convenience, so that I can easily locate it. So that's the default directory. Click Browse. I will make a directory under my root directory in C drive. I will name it Python 3. Click Yes to this pop-up. It's done. We can run the command again to check if it's installed successfully. To check if you have Python installed on a Linux or Mac, then on Linux open the command line, or on Mac open the terminal and type Python dash version. Let's write our first Python file, called helloworld.py, which can be done in any text editor. Python is an interpreted programming language. This means that as a developer you write Python.py files in a text editor and then put those files into the Python interpreter to be executed. The way to run a Python file is like this on the command line. Print hello world, simple as that. Save your file. Open your command line. Navigate to the directory where you saved your file, and run. Directory helloworld.py. The output should read, "Hello, world. Congratulations, you have written and executed your first Python program." The Python command line. To test a short amount of code in Python, sometimes it is quickest and easiest not to write the code in a file. This is made possible because Python can be run as a command line itself. Type the following on the Windows, Mac or Linux command line. From there you can write any Python, including our Hello World example from earlier in the tutorial. Which will write hello world in the command line. Whenever you are done in the Python command line, you can simply type the following to quit the Python command line interface, exit. And that wraps up this video tutorial on how you can check if you have Python installed, and download Python if you don't have it on your system. In my next tutorial, we're going to discuss Python syntax.